Hey, Ty here. Today I'm going to talk about the most common mistake I see people making, even native speakers. Most people don't know when to use if I were and when to use if I was. So today I'm here to teach you how to use them. Let's begin with if I were. If I were is used in unreal situations. For example, let's say I want to give some advice. Let's say your friend is going through a hard time and he or she asks your opinion about this little situation. Here you would need to use if I were you, I would, and then you say. Because this is not a real situation. You're not him or her. You're talking about something that's not true. So for example, you can say, if I were rich, I would do this. Now, if you're talking about potential past conditions, then you have to use if I was. We use if I was to talk about something that might have happened in the past. For example, let's say it was your birthday yesterday and you invited some friends over and things got a little crazy. So you wake up the next morning and you see your neighbor like there. So let's say you had a lot of drink the night before and you don't actually remember what happened. So you decide to apologize even though you're not sure if you actually have something to apologize for. So you say,
If I was really loud yesterday, I'm sorry. It was my birthday and I had some friends over.
See, like the party happened, but you don't know if you were actually loud. Maybe you were, maybe you weren't. But see, there's a chance you were loud last night. Got it? How about you try to write an example using if I were and if I was down here in the comments. And remember, DM me in case you have any questions so I can answer them here. Thank you and see you next video.